Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is what we are going to draw today. Let's begin if you are ready. We will start with the base of the house and draw one straight horizontal line. From here we will add two vertical lines. Now we are going to draw two sides of the roof and they will meet approximately here. And let's connect the end of the wall with this spot. And the same on another side. We are going to extend this line a little bit on the down and make a curve. Let's mark the top spot of the roof approximately here, and again we will connect the end of the line with the spot. Okay, this is the main shape of our house. Now I want to add the chimney stack. On the right side of the house I will draw stairs and the door. Add the doorknob, and I make sure that I leave enough space for the face. On the left side I will draw a window, just a square. One rectangle inside and two squares. Let's add one more window here in the shape of a heart. And one more heart inside. Looks great. Now we are ready to draw a face. Starting with the eyes, circles for highlights. You can add two more highlights if you want. And fill the eyes in. I will also add eyebrows and big welcoming smile. To make this house even more beautiful, I would like to add flowers around. One curve for the stem, leaf-like shape in the middle, two more petals on the sides, and some more details here. And I will draw two more flowers on the roof. Again, start with the stem, and here it's gonna be simple flower shape. Two leaves on the sides. And the last flower similar to this one. Stem and three petals. One leaf here and the same details. We have our line work done and I'm happy with the result. Let's color our house first and later we can think how we can get more creative with this drawing. We are done coloring, and now you know how to draw a cute house. This is the color palette that I chose for this drawing, but you could choose any colors that you like. For example, blue and orange would also look very nice here. And one more tip, if you want this drawing to be a little bit more realistic, you could do it very easily by slightly changing the details of the drawing. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and see you in my next videos. Bye!